Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Bitcoin Money especially is exchanging at $105.85 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.06% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. BCH certainly has a really all-out market cap of $2,055,604,477 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $65,556,532, or so they fundamentally thought. This especially makes Bitcoin Money positioning at 27 in the digital currency market, on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Bitcoin Money cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Bitcoin Money explicitly be truly worth in 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical? Is Bitcoin Money a genuinely wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they basically thought? Will BCH value sort of outperform its untouched most certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These most certainly are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH's future, or so they thought. Bitcoin Money value expectation 2023 as per the Bitcoin Money gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the BCH cost generally is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $126. The normal extremely least value worth of Bitcoin Money toward the finish of the truly current year ought to especially be $120.88, or so they in every practical sense thought. Besides, BCH can in every way that really matters arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of $142.97 exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Money value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Bitcoin Money in a real sense is supposed to generally be at around a genuinely least of $97.37. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Bitcoin Money cost can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of $110.70 with the kind of typical cost of $107.62 in USD, or so they basically thought. BCH value figure July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Bitcoin Money generally is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $106.80, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The BCH cost could sort of arrive at a greatest cost of $116.08 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $111.93, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin Money value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Bitcoin Money especially is really anticipated to arrive at an extremely normal cost of $114.17, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $121.68 and an exceptionally least of $110.07, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin Money value figure September 2023. The normal cost of Bitcoin Money could basically go to $116.45 toward the finish of September 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. BCH could sort of exchange around a very most extreme worth of $127.38 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $111.33 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin Money value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitcoin Money in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $113.65 and $132.04 in a quite enormous manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $118.78, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Money value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the especially most extreme cost for Bitcoin Money could in a real sense stretch around $136.79 in a really significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 by and large is $118.41 with an exceptionally normal cost of $123.53, or so they explicitly thought. BCH value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitcoin Money by and large is estimated to essentially be at around a sort of least worth of $120.88 in an in every way that really matters huge way. The Bitcoin Money value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely limit of $142.97 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $126 in USD, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Money especially passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been truly diminished by 0.09% in its truly current worth. Kind of additional appearance how starting around the 14th of June 2023 Bitcoin Money explicitly is exchanging at $105.85 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.06% in most certainly most recent 60 minutes. Or so they sort of thought. Assuming we fundamentally analyze the genuinely current market cap of the BCH with yesterday, you can see that the market cap truly is additionally down. Bitcoin money sort of is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin money value estimate September 2023 in every practical sense. Normal cost of Bitcoin money could in a real sense go to $116.45 toward the finish of September 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The BCH in a real sense is down to nearly 6.04% in the very most recent 7 days in a kind of enormous manner. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for sort of past beautiful few days. The coin could have major areas of strength for especially in any case. We don't essentially believe that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment, exhibiting how the BCH especially is down to nearly 6.04% in the absolute most recent 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH in a real sense diminished by 21.375%, wiping out an astounding kind of normal amount of $28.78 from its certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be in every practical sense, great truly purchase an open door for truly fast speculation, showing that starting around the 14th of June 2023 Bitcoin money essentially is exchanging at $105.85 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.06% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 19.69%, and the cost essentially circled from a fundamentally least certainly normal cost of $125.38 to most extreme sort of normal cost of $134.83 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money certainly has shown a developing pattern, in every practical sense. Further appearance how the BCH cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $116.08 with the typical cost around $111.93. Subsequently, we generally imagine that comparable pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Bitcoin money truly is expanded from 4 months, which especially is very huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin essentially is up by 4.07% with the really most extreme exceptionally normal cost of the coin especially was around $103.49 and the fundamentally least kind of typical cost of buy and large was around $100.92 in beyond 4 months, exhibiting how Bitcoin money in a real sense is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which sort of shows that Bitcoin money value figure September 2023 the genuinely normal cost of Bitcoin money could especially go to $116.45 toward the finish of September 2023, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin money value figure 2023 FAQs. What will